The project I chose to make is the Tamagotchi pet game, but with a little bit of a twist. I added an aquatic theme, and I made the three pet options to be fish, starfish, and a turtle. Basically, pets that you would find on the fish tank. The code is split within 9 files. The main, the the base pet class that has basically all the shared attributes of the pets, and the different um, like some pets have different mechanisms. Example, like for fish, the fish doesn't have to eat too much, so when you feed it, it would like the hunger would replenish quicker than other pets. But the drawback is you would have to keep the fish tank clean. Similarly with turtles, they play differently, and in the main we have the game loop, which displays the art, the stats, all the choices. Also has the way the load works, as well as if the pet dies, it will display the SSC art for it. And also has the main screen. When we boot it up, compile it and start the game. I wanted kind of like the old school NES games aesthetic, so I had to press a letter to start the game. And it gives you two options: start a new pet or load an existing pet. Let's start a new pet. Let's pick fish. Give it a name. This is the stat bar for the fish. If any of these deplete, the fish dies, or any of the pets die. Right now, the happiness is low, so you can start playing with it. Give you a app update. Play with it again. You can see the other some of the other stats lower. For example, energy starts getting low, hunger starts getting low. So let's feed it. Now if you want to save the game and then go back to it, save, adds it to the saves. Let's say we exit the game, come back. Start the game again. Load the game. You just need the pet's name to be able to get the file. Oh, I think I named it wrong. Oh, fish sticks. So yeah, it gives you a little like error handling if you name the pet wrong. I mean, if you put the wrong name. Alright, and then we have all the previous stats from the fish. Let's make a new pet. Now let's say you start neglecting the pet every now and then. Let's start starfish, Patrick. Let's say you play with it, and you're not paying attention to the other stats. I think the starfish has like the normal stats, like doesn't really have too much. Like for example, the fish doesn't need that much feeding. And here you go. If you let's say not don't pay attention to the stats, you see the energy was at 10, and you played with it again and it was already exhausted, then the fish dies. I mean the starfish dies. Let's try the turtle. Let's name him Donatello. And each pet has its own little art. This is for the turtle, starfish, and the fish. Just play with it, feed it, clean the tank, and I'll just let you know if the cleanliness is maxed out. It'll let you know that you don't have to clean it because it won't do anything. And that's pretty much it.